Ukraine is not accusing Russia of committing genocide. Ukraine is also not accusing Russia of failing to prevent or punish genocide. On the contrary, Ukraine insists no genocide has occurred. That alone should be enough to reject the case, because, according to the court's jurisprudence, if there was no genocide, there cannot be a violation of the Genocide Convention. Ukraine's legal position is hopelessly flawed and at odds with the long-standing jurisprudence of this court.
Ukraine submits that Russia has violated Articles 1 and 4 of the Genocide Convention. But it is evident to all, and simply undeniable, that this case is not about whether Russia has failed to prevent or punish genocide, contrary to its obligations under the Convention. What this case is really about is the legality of the special military operation and the recognition of the DPR and LPR as states.
Say that it should be done in due time. The arrangements have been done, and the final action of swapping the prisoners should be finalized in the due time.
Are they healthy? Are they well?
Yes, they are very healthy, and according to our latest information, they are in full health.
5 Americans who have been held as prisoners in Iran for years are now on their way home. They include Imad Shargi, Siamak Namazi, Morad Tabaz, and 2 Americans whose names are being withheld.
These Americans have been suffering a terrible ordeal. I think you all know that. Many of them were held in the Avon prison under ghastly conditions, and that we have been working very, very hard to bring them home to their families just as soon as possible.
The Biden administration reached a deal to secure their release in August, but it wasn't finalized until the last few days. $6 billion in frozen Iranian oil funds were transferred from South Korea to Switzerland and then into a bank account in Qatar.
And those accounts in Qatar can only be spent with strict oversight by the Treasury Department and only for humanitarian purposes.
But some on Capitol Hill are criticizing the decision to release the money to Iran.
The administration says this is limited to humanitarian aid, but they also acknowledge that funds are fungible, which means they can move them around and will aid them in being able to do other things.
Congressman Michael Turner says the decision will incentivize Iran and other countries to take more Americans as prisoners, hoping to